Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ehsan Muhammad Ali. My story name is Lion and the Mouse. Kick. Once upon a time, the lion was sleeping, and the mouse jumped on the lion. Kick. Once lion wake up, and the lion caught at the mouse. Said, I will eat you. I will eat you. Mouse said, don't eat me. I will help you. Lion said, okay, you go. Once upon a time, the lion caught in the net. Mouse caught with the tail. Lion become free. Lion and the mouse become good friend. What is the moral of story? Do good, ha good. Assalamu alaikum.